Okay, we have Excel open. Let's open Excel Test Expert and go to the Prices tab, and let's click on C3 and then click in the name box and type MON price and press enter, and then let's click the new button and click in A3 and type monitor, and then in A4 we want to type CD-ROM, and then click in B3 and type the equal sign, and then let's go to the Windows menu and select Excel Test Expert and click in C3 and press the enter key. And we'll see that that formula is using the name that we created just now. Now let's click in B4 and type the equal sign and go to the Windows menu, Excel Test Expert, and click in C5 and press the enter key. And this time we'll see that the formula is using the cell reference because that cell wasn't named. Now let's go to the Windows menu again and select Excel Test Expert and go File, Save As, and let's give it the name Excel Expert Working, working being WKG, and click the Save button. And then let's go to the Windows menu and select Book 2. And we'll see that the formulas are using the new name now. So let's go to the File menu and select Save As, and let's call this Excel X Working 2. And click Save. And now let's go to the File menu and close that spreadsheet. And now right click on B2 and select Delete. We could right click on any cell in row 2 to do this. Let's say Delete, and we want to check entire row and say OK. And now let's go to the File menu and click on Excel X Working 2, and we'll note that the named formula has found the correct price, and a price has been found for the other one, but it's a different price now. It's found the right cell, but not the right price. So let's close Excel Expert Working, and let's go to the Edit menu and Links, and let's click on Open Source. And now let's go to the Windows menu and Excel X Working 2, and we'll see that the price is right. Let's go to the Windows menu, Excel Expert Working, and let's close that one. And now let's go to the Edit menu, and from Links let's click Change Source and double click on Excel Test Expert, and we read the message and say OK and close, and we now see that it hasn't found the named one because that doesn't exist, but now we can close that and we don't need to save.